out, and here they're asking there are 5 colors are there. So what is the area of the 5 colors they asked? So by using Heron's formula, we found so area of the cloth used to make this umbrella. This was our last question, no, children. Am I clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So I
ma'am.
hope you all have practiced and you all have written in the note.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Children, I already said here no power, so it may happen. So you can able to see the screen,
Yes,
children.
Yes, ma'am.
A kite in the shape of a square. This is your 7th question. So before starting 7th question, I want all of them to say what is the area of triangle, children, when all 3 sides are given.
Square root of s into minus a into s minus b into s.
Into S minus C.
Yes, square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. What is the area of parallelogram?
Ma'am, half into height
B into H.
half
B.
into height into
What's
sum
the
of
area of parallelogram?
Ma'am,
Base
height
into
into
height.
base.
into height.
Base into height. What is the area of triangle? Base and height is given.
Half into base into
Half
height.
into base into height.
Half into base into height.
Yes, also we have discussed about area of rhombus.
Yes.
3 types of sums I've explained. 2 times I've sent in the notes and 1 I explained in the class. What's the area of rhombus?
Half into
Half
D1 into
into
Square
square
of parallel
root
sides
of
into height.
Then
diagonal
1
1
into 2.
plus
Yes,
diagonal.
half into product of diagonals. Then what is the area of trapezium?
Half into parallel sides into height.
Sum of parallel sides
Into height.
into height.
Half into sum of parallel sides into height.
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
the word sum of parallel sides. Half into sum of parallel sides into height. Based on these formulas, we have already learned few questions. Now I'm going to explain a 7th question. So just read the question, children. You can see able to see the screen, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So a kite in the shape of a square with a diagonal 32.
We have done this sum.
32 centimeter it is, and an isosceles triangle of base 8 centimeter and sides 6 centimeter. Each is to be made of 3 different shades as shown in the figure. You can able to see the figure, no, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Here this upper part one triangle, here one triangle, and the base one small triangle. This is how they given in textbook. Okay. Here this is this triangle upper part is completely based on made up of square shape. Okay, children. Diagonal they gave with one diagonal value measurement they gave 32 centimeter. Okay. Isosceles triangle of base 8 centimeter and sides. This is the figure 3 is there, no? This third part is an isosceles triangle. Equal sides are 6 and base is 8 centimeter. Am I clear, children? Here 3 different shades as shown in the figure. Here 1, 2 and 3. 3 shades they gave. How much paper of each shade has been used in it? Here we need to find out the how much paper we have used to make this kite. Am I clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Here, what's the area of triangle? First, we'll take area of triangle. So here, one diagonal value they gave 32 centimeter. Here, diagonal bisect each other, as we all know that. This entire diagonal 32 means what is the measurement here till the center?
16.
16. Very good. So height of the triangle is half into. So height of this triangle is so entire complete diagonal 32. And only we need height of this. So height of this is
Height is 16 centimeter.
16 centimeter. That will be the height of this first shade.
Ma'am, base is 8 centimeter, no, ma'am?
No, Charan, this entire length, the complete diagonal length is 32.
Okay, okay.
Okay, till the center is half of that, no?
Okay, okay, ma'am.
That is 16 centimeter. Any doubt, children?
No, ma'am.
Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am.
So we know that in square, diagonals are equal. Yes or no, children?
Yes,
Here,
ma'am.
This square has two diagonals. Diagonals are equal. First, I'll find the area of this particular triangle. What's the area of triangle? Half into base into height. Why I'm using this one means I have a base value because diagonal value 32 they gave. So in square, diagonals are equal. So base I got 32, height I got 16. So half into 32 into 16, that is 2 ones are 2 16s are 16s are 256 centimeter square. So I got area of this particular shaded triangle. First one. Any doubt, children? Any doubt, children?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So here one diagonal value they gave with a diagonal 32. In square, diagonals are equal and diagonals bisect each other. So if this entire diagonal 32 means only till the center, it is half of that 16. That will be the height of this particular triangle. And this diagonal also 32. So I can apply for first shade and second shade. Area of triangle is half into base into height. What is the area for second figure then?
From 256 centimeters.
256 only,
Second
ma'am.
also
Both are same.
256.
Centimeters.
Any doubt in the area of a square? What is the area of a complete square now? 256 plus 256.
256.
512.
Very good. Next we'll go for the finding this smaller piece. Third one.
Yes, ma'am.
Here, this is an isosceles triangle. Equal side they gave 6 centimeter. Base value 8 centimeter. So here we'll apply area of triangle by using Heron's formula. What is the perimeter of this small triangle, children? 6 plus 6 plus 8.
20.
Semi-perimeter?
10.
10.
Very good. So semi-perimeter is 10. 10 into 10 minus 8. 10 into 10 minus 6. 10 minus 6. So this 10. 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. 10 I can write in the product of prime numbers. That is 5 2s are. And this 2 is same thing here. And 4 into 4, 4 square. Here 2 is having a pair and 4 is having a pair. I can take out those two. I'm getting 2 4s are 8. Root 5. Root 5. 5 is only 1 5 is there. Doesn't have any pair. So root 5. So root 5 already we have learned how to find out irrational number. Square root of
Ma'am,
irrational number. Long division
It is
method.
not there in last class classwork, ma'am.
Charan, last square and square root chapter is there, Charan?
Ma'am, it's not there. I searched yesterday.
Okay, I'll share with you, Charan.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, it is
Okay,
there.
thank
Check it in textbook and classwork also. What about
Textbook?
others? Others have checked, children. Is it there or not in classwork? Pooja,
Ma'am.
last time we have learned the square root of irrational non-perfect squares, na Pooja?
Ma'am, even I forgot.
Yes,
Forgot. Very nice. Okay, children, I'll explain. Don't worry.
Ma'am, we've written. Ma'am,
Pardon me?
ma'am, we have written those notes. Ma'am, we
Yes,
have to
ma'am.
do long division method,
Long
ma'am.
division.
Yes, long division method.
What should we
Division method
find,
you
ma'am?
find out.
I couldn't contain the connect in last class. I don't know, ma'am. What should we find?
I'm not getting your voice, dear.
What did you ask to search, ma'am?
Yes, I asked you people, just check in your classwork. Last year I've taught how to find out square root of non-perfect square number by using log division method. Yes?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, those who are having doubt, I'll clarify, children. Root 5 value, we got 2.24. That is 2.24 into 8, we get 17.92.
Mamta ma'am.
Yes, ma'am?
Ma'am, Sanidhya is saying that she's not able to join the meeting.
So, I can't able to do anything, dear, here.
Ma'am, she is joined now.
She's joined.
Yeah, now.
Very good. Any doubt in the question, children? Here?
Ma'am, you
Once
told
again,
how.
repeat this answer. This is the kite. They have taken to make this kite in 3 different colors. So here, diagonal value they gave 32 centimeter. So and height value we found, that is half into diagonal. Then this square, by square they divide into 2 parts. These 2 area we have got. And the third part we have used Heron's formula to find area, that is square root of s into s minus a into s minus b. So we have got that area 17.92. They did not ask us to add. They just asked us to find area. They just asked us to find how much paper of each shade has been used. That's it. We have used 3 colors over there. Just they ask us to find the area of 3 shades. That's it. Any doubt, children?
No, ma'am.
Any doubt? So area of different shades are, first one 256 centimeter square, second one 256 centimeter square. So any doubt in 7th question? Next, 8th one, a floral design on a floor. A floral design on a floor is made up of 16 tiles. You can see here how many tiles are there here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. With 8 they divide into 2 to each one. They divide into 2 triangles. So in this red color one, there are 2 are there. Yellow 2 are there. So like this, there are out of this 8 into 2, 16 tiles are there here. Am I clear, children? Which
Yes,
are
ma'am.
triangular. Here triangular shapes. There are 16 triangular shapes are there. The side of the triangle being, so one triangle measurement they've taken as 9 centimeter, 28 centimeter and 35 centimeter. You can see in the figure. Any doubt, children, here? Any one triangle. How many triangles are there here? 16 triangles are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. You can all see 16 triangles here.
Yes, ma'am.
So in one triangle measurement they gave 9 centimeter, 28 centimeter and 38 centimeter. So they are asking, find the cost of polishing the tiles at the rate of 50 paise per centimeter square. First we need to find the yes, Anmol. Anmol, any doubt, Anmol? Okay, first we have to find the area of one triangle. They need to multiply 16 for that particular area. That is the area of this tiles will get. Then per centimeter square they are using 50 paise. For 16 tiles, how much they'll use, we'll get to know. Okay, children? Understand the meaning of this question?
Yes, ma'am.
There are 16 equal triangular tiles. Area of one triangle. Here, one piece of triangle they'll take. Only either yellow color or red color. Only one piece of triangle you take. That perimeter. So next, find semi-perimeter. What is semi-perimeter of that? 9 plus 28 plus 35.
Divided by 2.
9, 61. Huh.
Quickly, children. 28 plus 35 plus 9. Not 51.
172 by 2. 172 by 2.
172 by 2. It is
36.
36 centimeter. Am I clear, children? So 36 into 36 minus 9, 36 minus 28, 36 minus 35. We are getting 36 into 27 into 8 into 1. So these numbers, 36 already we know it is a perfect square of which number? 6. Am I clear, children? 27, I can write this in the form of 9 3s and 8 I can write as 2 4s. Here 9 is a perfect square, 4 is a perfect square, 9 is a perfect square and 4 is a perfect square. But the 3 and 2 doesn't have any pair. So that 6 will remain as it is in the root. Am I clear, children? Am I clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I audible to everyone? So
Yes,
this
ma'am.
3 and 2 doesn't have any pair. So that will remain the root 36 root 6 centimeter square. Then root 6 value we need to find out by using long division method. If you multiply, we'll get the value of that particular one small tail. Am I clear? So now
Ma'am,
next we need to find out
Semi-perimeter
the
they give
area of
172.
16 tiles. 16 into 88.2, it is 1411.2 centimeter square approximately, because here root 6 value is not exact value, it is approximate value. That's why here also we are using approximate. So here 50 paise, first we need to convert this into rupees. 50 divided by 100, that is 0.5. So 0.5 into this area 1411.2. So we're getting the cost of polishing these tiles is 705 rupees 60 paise. So once again repeat, children. Here there are 16 tiles are there. One tile measurement they gave. By using that one tile measurement, find the area. We have got that one tile measurement as 82.2 centimeter square. So 16 tiles measurement is 1411.2 centimeter square. They are taking to polish 1 centimeter square, they're taking 50 paise. So 50 paise means 0.5 rupees. Rupees 0.5. You just multiply 1411.2 into per centimeter square is 0.5. We're getting how much money they are taking to polish this tile. Any doubt, children?
Ma'am, in semi-perimeter they give 172 by 2.
172 by 2, it is 36, no?
Ma'am, 72 by 2, they given one more extra. It's 72,
Oh
ma'am.
yeah, it is a printing mistake dear. It is 72 by 2. Sorry. It is a printing mistake. So I've taken the copy from somewhere. 72 by 2 is 36. It is 172 is wrong. It is 72 by 2. Am I clear, children? Good, children. Any doubt, children?
Oh,
Do
ma'am.
anyone have any doubt? Find one tile measurement multiplied to 16. You'll get area of these tiles. Then to polish one centimeter square, they're taking 50 paise. So then what to complete area into this 50 paise, if you multiply, will get how much amount they are taking to polish these tiles. Any doubt in the sum?
No, ma'am.
No,
So
ma'am.
now I'm moving to the last sum of this chapter, children. A field is in the shape of trapezium whose parallel sides are 25 centimeter and 10 centimeter. The non-parallel side measurement they gave 13 centimeter, meter, 13 meter and 14 meter. Find the area of this field. This field is the shape of trapezium. Okay, parallel side measurement they gave 10 and 25. Non-parallel size measurement they gave 13 meter and 14 meter. Am I audible to everyone, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here, same type of question we have used in question number 3, that aeroplane question. Only for the
Yes,
to
ma'am.
find area of the base trapezium shape. Do you remember, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you remember, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So that way also we can use, or here I'm drawing BE parallel to AB. So here ABED will become parallelogram. Am I clear? So if I draw parallel, in a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. Here I'm drawing BE parallel to AD. So ABED is a parallelogram. So opposite sides are equal in parallelogram. So this is 13 means this also 13. So in opposite 13, the base complete 25 means if I'm taking this D to E 10 meter means the remaining E to C will be 15 centimeter. So we all learned the area of trapezium, that is half into sum of parallel sides into height. But here parallel side they gave, but height is not there. So here I'm going to find out height. Am I clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I clear? The given field is in the form of trapezium ABCD such that parallel sides, non-parallel sides are 13 and 14. So here I am drawing BE parallel to AD. So B is equals to 13 meter. So it is all 13 meter, children. It is, I just typed to centimeter. Sorry for that. So the given field is divided into two shapes. One is parallelogram, one is triangle. So now I'm going to find out height of this triangle. Am I clear? Height of this triangle. So then once I get the height of triangle, then I can, yes? Yes,
Nothing,
dear?
ma'am. By mistake, ma'am.
So once I get the height of this triangle, I can apply either area of parallelogram half into base into height. I can apply for this and this separately, or I can use area of trapezium formula also. Okay, children. Now I'm taking a triangle. I'm taking triangle BCE. Here I'm getting three sides are 13, 14 and 15 centimeter. I'm going to find out height from this triangle. I'm taking triangle BCE now. By using the triangle, I'll find the height of that. So what is the area of triangle? Area of triangle is half into base into height. Am I clear, children? So we got, see previous sum. So base value they gave 15. Height value is not there. Am I clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So first we need to find out the area of this triangle, children, by using Heron's formula, S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. What's the perimeter of this triangle? 13, 15, 14. 39,
42
42.
meter.
So the perimeter?
21 meter.
21. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So first tell me the area of this triangle, children, by using Heron's formula. By using Heron's formula, semi-perimeter is 42. Tell me the area of this triangle BCE.
84 centimeter square.
I want all of them to do it.
84 meter square.
meter square.
84 meter
21
square.
into
84
meter
meter
square.
square.
84 meter square.
21 minus 13 into 21 minus 14 into 21 minus 15. 21 into 21 minus 13, how much?
1 minus 13 is 8.
21 minus 14,
7.
7.
21 minus 15.
6.
21 you can write in the form of
7 into 3.
7 into 3.
7 into 3. 8.
2 into 4.
2 into 4.
2 into 2. Into 7. 6 you can write in the form of
3 into 2.
2 into 3.
I got 10 pair. 3 I got a pair. 2 I got a pair. So what are you getting answer? 7 into 3 into 2 into 2. Are we getting 84, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
How many of them got area 84 BC triangle?
Me, ma'am.
Yes.
Raise your hand. How many of them have got? Shreyank has got 84. Then? Yes, anyone have doubt in getting that the area, children?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Then we'll apply that one in the next finding area of triangle, that is half into base into height. We have got area of triangle 84. So base is 15, half into base 15 and height is equals to 84. Very good. Those who have got the answer, very good. I have not done that particular part because already we have practiced. So you have to write that answer in the previous one. Area of triangle ABC. By using Heron's formula, first to find this one, then come to this one. That area I'm applying in this particular one. Okay. I got height value. This 2 I'm just cross multiplying. 84 into 2 divided by 15. It is 3 5s are 3 2s are 6. Then 3 8s are 24. Then we have got 56 by 5. Any doubt, children, here? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Next, area of parallelogram. Here I have taken parallelogram separately because area of triangle I got 56 by 5. But area of parallelogram, base into height. Area of parallelogram taking base value is 10. Height of this parallelogram is same thing as the triangle only. What is the height here? 56
by 5.
5.
56
So
by
base
5.
into height I am taking. So that was nothing but as we are getting 112.
112 meters
So
square.
you add both, you are getting 196 meters square. Anyone have doubt in this one?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
First, divide this figure into two parts. One is parallelogram, one is triangle. So draw BE parallel to AD. In parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. Even base also opposite sides are equal. So AB is equals to DE, make it 10 meter, and E to C 50 centimeter. So area of parallelogram is base into height, and area of triangle is equals to half into base into height. But we don't know the area. So once we get the area, I can find out the height of this triangle. So take area of this triangle by using Heron's formula, S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So area of this triangle we've got 84 meters square. So to find area of parallelogram, I need height value. So by using this height, this area, I'll find the height of this particular triangle also, or parallelogram. Even parallelogram we need height. Or instead of that, directly we can use area of trapezium is equal to sum of parallel sides into height. We can take half into 10 plus 25, that is 35. Half into 35 into what we got the height here? 56 by 5. Even you'll get the same area, that is 196. Somebody try, children. Half into 35 into half into 35 into 56 by 5. 5 ones are 5 sevens 35. 2 ones are so 28. 7s are we are getting 196. Same or your children?
Yes, ma'am.
So even after getting height, you can find directly, you can apply area of trapezium formula, that is half into sum of parallel sides into height. Or you can find area of parallelogram and you can add. Both the way you can do it, you'll be getting same value. Any doubt, children?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
So from this sum, I finished Heron's formula chapter. Just will recall what we have learned in this chapter, children. In this chapter, first exercise 12.1. So area of triangle with its sides as A, B and C is calculated by using Heron's formula. That is area of triangle is equal to square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. S means semi-perimeter, half of that particular triangle perimeter. Next we have learned area of quadrilateral whose sides and one diagonal are given can be calculated by dividing the quadrilateral into two triangles and using Heron's formula. So here quadrilateral, if they are giving this, we are drawing diagonal, we are making it two triangles and we are finding by area by using Heron's formula. So these are the points we have learned from this chapter. Anyone have doubt in this chapter, children? Before closing this, I wanted to know what is the area of equilateral triangle, children?
Square root of 3 by 4 into a
3
square.
by 4 into a square.
A square.
Square root of root 3 by 4 into a square. Don't forget this because based on this also I'm giving questions for the exam. Okay, children. Next one, I'm giving homework for today's homework based on what we discussed in today's class, so children. Today's class and previous class based on exercise 12.2. I'm giving 3 sums as homework. A triangle and a parallelogram have same base and same area. Do you remember this question, children? This is the question. Exercise 12.2, fourth question. Only numbers have changed. With the sides of triangles they gave 39 centimeter, 42 centimeter, and 45 centimeter, and the parallelogram stands on same base 42. Find the height of the parallelogram. This is based on exercise 12.2, fourth sum. Next, second sum is an umbrella. Umbrella sum is which one, children? Umbrella sum is question number 6. Question number 6 type. That is, an umbrella is made by stitching 12 triangles. But in textbook, I taught for 10 triangles. Children, piece of cloth, each measuring 75 centimeter, 30 centimeter, and 75 centimeter. Find the area of cloth used in it. Am I clear? So here, for one triangle measurement I gave 75, 30, and 75. So what type of triangle is this one?
Isosceles.
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 What do you need to do here, dear? First,
Heron's formula.
first you need to find the area of one triangle. They need to multiply 12. Find the area of cloth used in it. They're asking. Multiplied by 12, you'll get the area of cloth used to make this umbrella. Am I clear, children?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Only small difference in textbook question. This one, textbook question they asked how much cloth of each color they asked. Am I clear? I did not ask the colors. I did not say. So entire umbrella is completely made of 12 triangular pieces of same color. Am I clear, children? So first find the area of one triangle, and if you multiply it by 12, you get area of cloth used to make this umbrella. Am I clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Exercise 12.2
Exercise.
already have discussed in summary also. To find area of quadrilateral, they should give all either 5 things they have to give. All 4 sides of triangle, either diagonal or one angle. Angle, right angle if they give us, we can do it. Or all 5 sides, 4 sides of quadrilateral and one diagonal value. You see PQ, QR, RS and PS are 4 sides of quadrilateral, and QS is 15 centimeter, that is a diagonal value. So by using that, you need to divide the quadrilateral into 2 triangles and separately find the area of 2 triangles and add it. Here for the hint I am giving, root 21 value, it is 4.58.